In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and stop sharing photos between your iPhone, iPad, and other devices using the same Apple ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're trying to stop sharing photos between your iPhone, iPad, and other devices, don't worry, this guide is for you. The first thing that you're going to want to go and do is actually open up the settings on your device, and up at the very top, go ahead and tap on your name to bring up your own Apple ID settings. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the iCloud option and select it. Then you'll see this iCloud option for photos. Go ahead and select the Photos button here, and it's going to pull this up. From here, you're going to have the option for iCloud Photos to be synced up. Simply go ahead and turn this off just like so, and then confirm one more time by clicking stop updating and turn off. This is going to keep it on for just this device, but other devices aren't going to be enabled. But yeah, overall, it is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.